When we are tired, we all need time to recover, to rest and restore. The oldest rainforest on Earth has been here for 180 million years. That's really old. Rainforests work hard to care for the species that call them home, and for the rest of the planet. Rainforests draw carbon out of the atmosphere and share oxygen for us to breathe. Rainforests regulate climate, filter water, and stabilize the soil where they grow. Rainforests are a part of a system that helps hold the world together. And they are in trouble. Although much of the world's rainforests are fragmented and degraded, we have an opportunity to restore what's been lost for all wildkind. The indigenous peoples of the Amazon are reclaiming their territories and restoring them for the benefit of people and wildlife. Local communities in Madagascar are cultivating tree nurseries to plant, protect, and monitor native seedlings. Rainforest restoration programs around the world are slowly rebuilding complex ecosystems from the ground up. Together, we can help rainforests rest and recover. We can rewild our world.